Hey folks, welcome back and welcome back to the third video in our special network marketing success secrets, for the year 2009. All right, just in continuation to the last video, which is the opportunity which fits into the fifth category as we discussed in the last video, which has web-based products, a binary plan, global opportunity to build trusted management. I'll be disclosing those things to you in some while. Okay. Meanwhile, let's go for the topic for today, which is very important, I should say. And that would be basically what kind of support team you should be really looking to join, how to choose the right team, and the support system. Now, see, uh, you talk about anything in life, money is made when you are in the beginning of trends, not when you are after everybody else. Sunil Bharti Mittal became a millionaire because he launched Airtel when mobile phone really never existed in India. Henry Ford became a billionaire by launching automobile industry. Bill Gates became world's richest man by being pioneers in major computer and IT revolution. Yeah, you have to be in the beginning, and same is applicable to the network marketing teams and all. So the only teams which are going to make you some real big bucks for the coming years will be the teams who have web-based training and support system which can ensure a global business. Now, see, we have already analyzed how important it is to be involved with an opportunity which is global in nature, because so that you can tap into the immense power of internet and tap in the contacts of your entire network which are distributed globally. So it makes a lot of sense to be in an opportunity which is global, right? But then to build the global, sitting in Delhi and to even imagine that you're going to build a downline or a grow line in US, California, Japan, Spain, even in Bombay or Bangalore, guys, imagination sounds good, but let's be practical. You need a support system. So you need to be involved with a team, which has a special training and support system on this, right? You have to be involved with a team which has a special training and support system, web-based, all web-based, which can ensure the growth of your global business. Okay, the team should have online replicated website system. One of my very favorite, I should say, topic of discussion is the activities involved in building a network marketing business. If I to sum up, I'll say it's list building and advertising, invitation, show the plan, follow up, and duplication. So the first point, web-based training and support system can automate the process of training. And with online replicated website system where every distributor gets a website, I'll show you a screenshot also of that. What it can really do for you is that it can automate your show the plan, follow up, and invitation procedure. All right. All you have to do is advertise your websites. A person visit your website, and he enters his information. That person starts getting emails from your site. So that's follow up. Then the website show him the power, the complete opportunity online in the form of videos and facts and figures, and the sale might happen automatically. So it takes care of a lot of other useless activities involved. And then your team should have knowledge of different marketing methods, guys. Trust me, the only reason because of which people fail in network marketing so much is that it's because they take the word marketing out of it. Ultimately, guys, it is also marketing in a different style, so you should know the basics. And the kind of team we're talking about, they should know as to how to market the opportunity, not just in warm market. Anybody and everybody in the world can have your brother, sister, friends, and relatives into the opportunity. But to be a real leader, I will say a real leader of network marketing is a person who can just go to Philippines tomorrow and can build a team there. And to do that, you should know how to use SMS-based advertising, newspapers, ads, social communities like Orkut, MySpace, Facebook, AdWords, blogging, SEO, etc. And to compete with the growing competition, the team should have the knowledge of attraction marketing, right? So now, what I am going to expose to you today will be some of my support systems which I use to build teams globally, which we have recently started, the kind of online replicated systems which I have, the kind of knowledge of different marketing methods which my team has, and the kind of attraction marketing I do. All right. So this will really show you of what all we are capable as of doing as a part of the team. Let's go to the next page. Yeah, and of course we know massive action. So nothing happens without it. So be ready for it as your solution is on the way, right? So what I really have to offer you as a part of the team, which has all these four modules. Now I'll be disclosing that to you, not right now, in the next video, which will be coming tomorrow. To summarize what we have learned today, which is the best team today, which apart from the offline system has the online training and support system. They have online replicated websites, knowledge of different marketing methods, knowledge of attraction marketing, involved with a global concept, and can help you building globally in any part of the whole world so that it becomes a true home-based business. You don't have to travel like 20 kilometers to attend a home meeting. You don't have to travel every week to attend trainings and all. All you do is sit 2 hours in front of your computer every day, advertise your websites, talk to people who visit your websites, and that's on. You are building a global business, right? So as I'm recording this video for you, of course, I'm composing side by side one more PowerPoint presentation in which I can actually, guys, show you what really I have to offer you as a team. All right. I am personally involved with an opportunity which is global in nature, which is absolutely web-based with a binary plan. And I'll especially talk about the kind of training and support system which me and my team has to offer you people. Yeah. So stay tuned to the next video. It will be posted you tomorrow and it will totally blow you away when you see the content of this video. All right. So be ready for some extraordinary content tomorrow where you'll be exposed to one of the fastest moving teams in the industry of network marketing globally. Okay. Be there. I'll be there tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.